सोमारा बांबोळे हांगासर गोमेकोच्या परीक्षा सभाघराचे उक्तावण मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर हांचे हस्तुकी जाले। ह्या वेळार उपमुखेलमंत्री ॲडव्होकेट फ्रांसिस डिसूजा हे हजर आसले। आरडीएक्स खातीर बांबोळेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
म्हणजे as Goa Medical College has grown, as Dental College has grown, we would like to see third institution growing in the form of Institute of Paramedics in the say closer or nearby to nursing institution. तिसरे institution independent जावंक जाय, ताचो स्टाफ वेगळो, डीन वेगळो, जसो गोवा मेडिकल आणि डेंटल वेगळी आसात तशेंच येणाऱ्या काळात जावंक जाय। आरोग्याच्या विशयान आरोग्याच्या दृष्टीन ह्या गोष्टींची आवश्यकता आसा आणि गव्हर्नमेंट हॅज प्रायोरिटाइज्ड इट।
The government is doing everything possible for the student community and for the improvement of the infrastructure for the Goa Medical College complex. We do have financial problems. We do have what you call building infrastructure problems. As I said, we have to bring down some buildings to build up new buildings. We are building a new 450 bedded super specialty block.
It has been a challenge and an ongoing process for us at GSIDC to not only construct new infrastructure but also maintain a huge campus in a manner which is befitting the stature of Goa Medical College. With all this, I would now have a small we have a small team which would look after the facility in this current transition period, but there is a large appeal behind whatever we deliver. Please treat the facility as your own.